This is a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara with 141 miles. The key about this car: camshaft done, timing chains done, lifters done, whole engine redone. This is the car you want. Just recently done. This is the way to buy them, because you know those are the problems in these cars. Also too, hard top on the car, soft top in the back. The whole thing's right there ready for you. Many people would pull them out and sell them on Facebook or whatever. Not us. You get it the way it comes, with the whole assembly ready to go. And look at that frame. That is in beautiful, beautiful shape all the way around. Sitting on big fat tires. This will be one of the nicest Jeeps you go to look at. And with all the work done. You do nothing. Like I said, there's all your stuff. Ready to go. Put the soft top on, head down the beach. I don't need to open up that door. I mean, I guess I should show you everything. I tell my guys, make sure you do everything 100% of the time. And there I was, about to not show you the door panel. Sahara, 141 miles. No warning lights are on the dash. Everything goes out except maybe gas. No, it's got plenty of gas. Down over here, this car has navigation. I don't know, it goes through all the map stuff. There we go. All your climate control is down through here. Windows there, heated seats down below, mirrors. Let's go pop that hood. I actually left the things open because I was taking photos of that engine. Beautiful V6. Newer battery over there, just replaced. Josie's Auto Sales. We have a car for everyone, and if you want some Jeeps, we got a couple of them. Come on down and check us out, and hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.